Well, hello there! Today I'm finally showing you how I do my makeup for Ahsoka Tano from Season 7 of the Clone Wars. I always try to improve this makeup and I change things up now and then. Also, English is not my first language, I hope you're able to understand me. So let's begin! I start with a clean face and tie my hair and put on the swim cap. I like to glue the swim cap down to my forehead with a sealer from Kryolan so that it doesn't slip during the day and ruin everything. I'm careful not to glue down any hair because otherwise it will hurt when I remove the cap. After that, I use eyebrow plastic from Kryolan to cover my eyebrows. I warm it up by rolling it between my fingers and then brush it onto my eyebrows. I try to smooth it out as best as I can with my fingernails. I then add another layer of sealer on top. When everything is dry, I use the concealer and paint a good layer on the eyebrow. I spread it with my fingers and add a thick layer of powder to set it. I repeat the whole procedure as often as I think is necessary. Usually it's 2 or 3 times. And here I am, without eyebrows and hair. Looks great, right? Now comes the body paint. I used the Aqua Cream airbrush makeup from Kiomi, but without an airbrush, just with a plain makeup brush. I take a little color and spread it as good as I can with the brush, so that no lines remain. I paint several layers over the swim cap too, because it's not quite the same color as the body paint and I want them to match. Then I paint everything else of my body that is not covered by the costume. So arms and neck and things. After everything has dried, I contour my face. I take a thin brush and a brown matte eyeshadow and contour my nose. As you can see, I smudge the hard lines down a little with my fingers. Then I take my big kabuki brush and contour my cheekbones, temples and jawline to get closer to the animated look. So far it looks like I overdid it. But in my experience when it comes to cosplay makeup for photos, and especially for animated characters like Ahsoka, it's good to really exaggerate. Now comes the eye makeup. Here I use a tutorial that I found on YouTube. I have linked it down below. It works really well for my eye shape and makes them look really big. I'll just go through the steps I do one by one, but it's explained much better in the actual tutorial, so go and have a look. First, I very strongly emphasize my crease and generously apply eyeshadow in dark brown, purple and black there. Then I wipe off as much as possible with a Q-tip on my movable lid. After that, I cut my crease using a flat brush and my concealer. I put shimmering highlighter on top and add eyeshadow on the outer corner. To visually enlarge the eye a bit, I apply white eyeliner to my lower waterline. After that, I use the same eyeshadow colors under my eye, but not all the way to the inner corner, because that makes your eye look way smaller. I put on some black eyeliner too, and then some fake lashes. Mine are the most beautiful and longest ones I could find in my local drugstore. They are from Kiss and called Gala. I glue them on. As usual, it does not work perfectly the first time and I have to reapply some glue. But I would never leave this step out. The eyelashes just make the difference. They make the eye immediately look so much bigger. And also, Ahsoka has really long eyelashes. I use a layer of mascara to blend the false lashes with my own eyelashes. The last thing I do is liquid eyeliner with a wing. And with that, the eyes are done! And hell yeah, they do look animated! Wow! I apply a little highlighter on the nose, cheeks and chin. For the white face markings, I use Diamond FX makeup. I also made myself some stencils to make it easier to get the left and right sides symmetrical. I paint the stencil white and then put it in the right place on my face. Then I remove the stencil. I do the same with the marks on my forehead. Now I paint over the shapes, usually with 2 or 3 layers of makeup. For the small ends, I take a tiny brush. For the touch-ups, I use my orange body paint and improve the places where I painted over the marking and then go over it again with my brown contouring powder to adjust the color. The lips are still missing, so let's go! First, I take my contouring powder again and contour under and above my lips, because Ahsoka has much fuller lips than I do. I apply some concealer on my upper lip to hide the natural shape. Since I don't have a lip liner in the right color, I always take a grey eyeliner pencil, but that works just fine for me. I overline my lips on top and bottom quite a lot to fake those full lips. Then I fill in the lips with my lipstick from Milani. It's in the color Double Espresso. A few touch-ups here and there until I'm happy with the look. And then I spray everything with fixing spray. I put on my dress, and the last thing is painting my hands and applying some brown nail polish. And that's it. That's the makeup. I finished dressing and then I'm ready for the photo shoot or chasing some nasty Sith Lord on Mandalore. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.